Are you tired of those relentless sugar cravings that seem to control your life? Do you find yourself reaching for that candy bar or cookie, even when you know you shouldn't? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of sugar cravings and how to defeat them naturally. You might be wondering, what are the natural methods to defeat sugar cravings? Or how effective are these methods really? Maybe you're curious about the specific steps involved or how long it'll take to see results. Perhaps you're concerned about potential challenges or side effects. Don't worry, I got you covered. We'll explore common triggers for sugar cravings, discuss specific foods that can help, and even touch on how these methods can contribute to weight loss and other health benefits. And the best part, I will show you how to easily incorporate these strategies into your daily life. Also, if you get any value from this video, please subscribe to my channel. This is free for you to do, but helps me out a lot. Now, let's get started. Before we dive into the solutions, it's crucial to understand what we're dealing with. Sugar cravings are intense desires for sweet foods or drinks. They're not just a lack of willpower. There's actual biology behind them. Common triggers for sugar cravings include a variety of factors that can influence our body's desire for sweet foods. Stress is a significant trigger. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and specifically cravings for sweet, high-fat foods. Lack of sleep is another major factor, as sleep deprivation can disrupt the hormones that regulate hunger and fullness, leading to increased cravings. Nutrient deficiencies can also play a role. Sometimes our bodies crave sugar when we're lacking certain essential nutrients. Habit is another common trigger. If you're used to having something sweet after meals, your body starts to expect it, making it harder to break the cycle. Finally, blood sugar imbalances can lead to rapid rises and falls in blood sugar levels, which can trigger intense cravings for sugary foods. Understanding these triggers is the first step in defeating sugar cravings naturally. Now, let's get into the meat of our guide. Here are the natural methods we'll be exploring to help you defeat those pesky sugar cravings. Let's break down each of these methods into actionable steps. Step 1. Balanced nutrition. Eating a balanced diet is crucial in managing sugar cravings. To achieve this, include protein in every meal, as it helps stabilize blood sugar and keeps you feeling full. Don't skip meals, as irregular eating patterns can lead to blood sugar imbalances. Incorporate healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, which can help satisfy cravings. Eat plenty of fiber, as it slows down digestion, helping to prevent rapid blood sugar spikes. Step 2. Mindful eating. Practicing mindful eating can help you become more aware of your cravings and make better choices. Eat slowly and without distractions, paying attention to the taste, texture, and smell of your food. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues to develop a healthier relationship with food. Step 3. Stress management. Since stress is a major trigger for sugar cravings, managing it is crucial. Practice deep breathing exercises to calm your mind and body. Try meditation or yoga to reduce stress levels. Engage in hobbies or activities you enjoy to take your mind off cravings. If stress is overwhelming, consider talking to a therapist for additional support. Step 4. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to help regulate hormones and reduce cravings. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule to establish a healthy routine. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to wind down before sleep. Avoid screens before bed, as the blue light can disrupt sleep patterns. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet to promote better sleep quality. I have also done a video on how better sleep can lead to better weight loss. You can click on the screen and watch it after this. Step 5. Regular exercise. Exercise can help regulate hormones and reduce stress, which in turn can help manage sugar cravings. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, swimming, dancing, or team sports, to make exercise more enjoyable. Include both cardio and strength training in your routine for a well-rounded approach to fitness. Step 6. Hydration. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to stay properly hydrated. Keep a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day to maintain hydration levels. Try infusing water with fruits or herbs for added flavor if you find plain water unappetizing. Step 7. Mindset shifts. Changing your relationship with sugar is key to long-term success. Practice positive self-talk to reinforce your goals and progress. Focus on adding healthy foods to your diet rather than restricting yourself, which can lead to feelings of deprivation. Allow yourself occasional treats without guilt, as a balanced approach is more sustainable in the long run. Now let's talk about incorporating certain foods into your diet can help naturally curb sugar cravings. Berries are sweet but low in sugar and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice. Sweet potatoes can satisfy sweet cravings while providing complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Greek yogurt is high in protein and can be sweetened naturally with fruit for a healthy snack. Dark chocolate with 70% cocoa or higher can satisfy chocolate cravings with less sugar. Chia seeds are high in fiber and protein, helping to stabilize blood sugar and reduce cravings. The effectiveness of these methods can vary from person to person, but many people report significant reductions in sugar cravings within 2 to 4 weeks of consistently applying these strategies. However, it's important to remember that this is a process, and it may take time for your taste buds and habits to adjust. While these natural methods are generally safe, you may experience some challenges as you work to reduce your sugar intake. As your body adjusts to the changes, you might initially notice an intensification of cravings. This is normal and typically subsides over time. You may also experience mood swings, as sugar can affect your emotional state, leading to some irritability at first. Headaches are another common side effect that some people experience as they reduce their sugar consumption. It's important to remember that these side effects are usually temporary and will subside as your body adapts to the new, healthier habits you're implementing. Reducing sugar intake and implementing these strategies can lead to numerous health benefits that extend far beyond just controlling cravings. Many people experience weight loss as a result of reducing sugar intake, which often leads to an overall reduction in calorie consumption. You may also notice improved energy levels throughout the day, as stable blood sugar helps maintain consistent energy without the crashes associated with sugar highs. Better skin health is another potential benefit, as high sugar intake can contribute to skin issues like acne. Perhaps most importantly, reducing sugar consumption can lower your risk of chronic diseases, as excessive sugar intake is linked to various health problems, including diabetes and heart disease. The key to success in defeating sugar cravings is making these strategies a part of your daily routine. Start small and don't try to implement everything at once, as this can be overwhelming and unsustainable. Instead, focus on incorporating 1 or 2 strategies at a time. Planning ahead is crucial, so consider meal prepping and keeping healthy snacks on hand to avoid reaching for sugary alternatives when hunger strikes. Make gradual changes by slowly reducing sugar in your diet rather than quitting cold turkey, which can be too drastic for many people. Above all, be patient and kind to yourself throughout this process. Remember that it's a journey, not a race, and every small step you take is progress towards a healthier lifestyle.